Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MEKNEX and today I'm going to be making butterfly faux locks. Please stay tuned to the end because this video promises to be amazing. I'm also going to be showing you guys my mistakes and where I got it all right. Watch, just look at this beautiful hairstyle we achieved using straight hair. Isn't that amazing? With that being said, let's jump right into this amazing video. Alright, this is the twist I made about 2 nights ago. It took me 1 night to twist. You will either need to twist your hair or braid it, whichever way. And this is the amazing spring twist hair we made last DIY. And please guys, check this video out on my channel on the playlist Amazing Things You Can Do with Straight Hair. Like I've always said, you can never go wrong with this spring twist. You can never go wrong with it. Alright, I'm just going to open it, spread it. Take your crochet pin, pass it through your hair and pull this hair through. When you're done pulling it through, you make sure that the two lengths are equal and then you start wrapping. You wrap the way you will wrap African threading, but just make sure that the hair is spread. Just make sure. So the way you thread your hair when you are doing African threading, that's how you wrap hair. What I wanted to do at this point was to wrap till my hair was completely covered, but it seems like this part was not going to cover all of my hair, so I just transferred to the other length because that one is longer. And if you do it this way, your hair is going to coil up, but not as coiled as this hair looks. So when you get to the bottom, but what I did was when I got to the gold part of this hair, I just started wrapping upward. Wrapping upward will prevent this hair from unlocking. It will help hold this very strong. After wrapping up, you make your knots, then take the other part and also wrap up. So guys, here we are with our faux locks. But in case you can wrap this much, you can make a crochet of it. And I'm going to show you how you can also make your crochet here. So to make this, you will need a seat and a thread. Your thread should be something you can slip out your crochet from. Alright, here I'm just going to make a very loose braid, just anyhow I want it. Then after making this braid, make sure you have a hair in it, or else the hair is going to coil up, really coil up, like shrink up. So you get your already detangled hair and then pass it through like you would do when you're doing it for your hair. Then you start wrapping. So when you get to this point, transfer your hair to the other side and take the other longer side of the hair and continue wrapping. And like we did for the other hair, when you get to the gold point or when you get to the thinning end, you start wrapping upward. Make your knots, wrap upward, make your knots. So in case you can wrap this on your hair, you can just make the crochet like this and you are good to go. So because I couldn't wrap all the way to the end of this hair, I'm going to cut out the leftover parts. And here we have our faux locks. So that's why you need a thread where you can slip out this thing from. So this is how your crochet hole will look like. Ta-da! I'm going to be adding this to my hair. Not that I'm going to be using it, but I'm just going to be using it to show you how you can do it on your own hair. So you can decide to make a lot of this and then use it instead of wrapping on your hair directly. So you take your faux locks, insert your lash hook, pull the hair through, and then take the ends of this hair and pass it through the hole. You're done. You take your lash hook again, go through the middle of this hair and pull your hair through it just to the end. Don't mind that I'm skipping some parts. I just want to show you guys that you can pull this hair through and then you have your faux locks crochet on your hair. So you are going to do this until there is no more of your hair left out. So guys, at this point I was no longer comfortable with the hair. It wasn't coming out the way I imagined it. I wanted it so coily and maybe better, but here it wasn't looking well. So I tried something else and it started coming out well here. So I loved this pattern and I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this. Since I love this outcome, I took down this other side and just made everything the same way. So it's still going to be the same way, just that we won't have to spread this hair. We won't spread it the way we did with the first one. You just crochet it like this in. Make sure the two parts are equal, and then you start wrapping like we did the first one. When I tried this and it came out really well, I was so happy, so happy, because that was exactly what I wanted. I wanted a coily faux locks and I got it. So now I'm going to call this hair butterfly faux locks. So like the first one, when you get to the end, you wrap upward, just like the first one. Wrap upward, make your knot, and wrap the second one upward. Doing this will help your hair stay still without unraveling for a long time. And again, the two hairstyles are the same. If you do the first one really well, you're going to have a wonderful hairstyle. And if you do the second one really well, you're going to have what I have. Guys, this whole hair cost me about 1,250 because the pack of straight hair I bought was for 2,500, and I used 2.5 pack of this hair for this. And see what we achieved using 1,250 naira Nigerian currency, just 1,250. You and I know that buying spring twist hair from the market is not cheap at all. So achieving this with just 1,250 naira Nigerian currency is wow, is something I really think you should try. Thank you guys, because I really appreciate you for watching to this point. And please don't forget to subscribe. It will really help my channel grow. And also don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. If this video was helpful to you, it can also be helpful to someone else. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. And I promise you guys amazing content. See you guys next week, Wednesday. Stay blessed.